What is email marketing? Email marketing is the process of using email to communicate with the target audience to promote a product or service, build customer loyalty, or achieve some other marketing goal. It typically involves sending a series of emails to a list of subscribers, with each email designed to achieve a specific objective, such as promoting a new product, offering a special sale, or inviting subscribers to attend a live event. The goal of email marketing is to build relationships with customers and encourage them to take some desired action, such as making a purchase or registering for an event. Detailed 20 points of email marketing. Define your target audience. Before you start your email marketing campaign, it is important to identify who your target audience is and what they are looking for. This will help you tailor your messages to their needs and interests. Build a targeted email list. To make the most of your email marketing efforts, you need a targeted list of subscribers. This can be done through opt-in forms on your website or by purchasing a targeted email list. Personalize emails. Personalizing emails with the recipient's name, location, or other relevant information can help increase engagement and open rates. Create visually appealing emails. Use eye-catching images, graphics, and videos to make your emails more engaging and help convey your message. Optimize for mobile devices. With the majority of emails being opened on mobile devices, it is essential to make sure your emails are optimized for these devices. This includes using a responsive design and making sure the text size is easy to read. Use a clear and concise subject line. A subject line that is clear and concise can increase the likelihood that the email will be opened. Offer value. Offer subscribers exclusive promotions, informative content, or other incentives to encourage them to stay engaged with your emails. Include a clear call to action. Make sure every email includes a clear call to action, CTA, that encourages the recipient to take a desired action. Segment your email list. Segmenting your email list into specific groups based on demographics, behavior, or interests allows you to target your messages more effectively. Test different elements of your emails. Testing different elements of your emails, such as subject lines, sender names, and content, can help improve open and click-through rates. Use automation. Automation can help streamline your email marketing efforts and trigger welcome emails, reminders, and other automated campaigns. Analyze metrics. Regularly analyze metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to gauge the success of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Stay compliant with anti-spam laws. Make sure you are aware of and comply with anti-spam laws, such as the CAN-SPAM Act in the U.S. Use A/B testing. Use A/B testing to compare different versions of an email and determine which one performs best. Make emails accessible. Make sure your emails are accessible to all subscribers, including those with disabilities. Create a consistent email brand identity. Use the same colors, logos, and overall design in all of your emails to create a consistent email brand identity. Foster a sense of community. Respond to subscribers' questions and feedback to foster a sense of community and build relationships with your audience. Drive customer retention. Use email as a tool for customer retention by regularly reaching out to subscribers with valuable content. Utilize the versatility of email. Take advantage of the versatility of email by sending a mix of promotional, informational, and transactional emails. Use analytics to continuously improve. Utilize email analytics to continuously improve and refine your email marketing strategies over time.